Hey ladies! Have you ever felt like you just don't have enough time to hit the gym, but still dream of achieving your ideal body? Well, today, I have the perfect solution for you. In just a few minutes a day, you can start transforming your body. No gym, no complicated workouts, and best of all, no excuses. But before we dive in, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who are on the same journey. Together, we can make fitness fun, simple, and achievable for everyone. Get ready, because in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful, easy-to-follow workout routine that can replace an hour at the gym. And the best part, you can do it right from the comfort of your home. Why short workouts work wonders. Let's be honest, spending hours in the gym isn't for everyone. Whether it's a busy schedule, family responsibilities, or simply not enjoying traditional workouts, finding time for fitness can be a real challenge. But here's the good news. You don't need long, exhausting workouts to see results. Studies show that short, high-intensity exercises can burn calories effectively and boost metabolism, helping you shed those extra pounds even after you've finished working out. The secret? Consistency and the right exercises. In this video, I'll guide you through a quick, effective routine that works your entire body in just a few minutes. You'll feel stronger, more energized, and most importantly, confident in your body without spending hours sweating it out. The 4-minute fat-burning routine. Now let's get into action. This quick 4-minute workout is designed to target key areas like your legs, arms, and core, all while boosting your heart rate to burn fat fast. And the best part, you don't need any equipment or a gym membership. Just your motivation and a few minutes of your day. We'll go through 5 simple exercises, each focusing on different muscle groups to give you a complete body workout. And don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll guide you step by step, and you can always adjust the intensity to match your fitness level. So, grab a bottle of water, find a comfortable space, and let's dive right in. Exercise 1. Squats for stronger legs and glutes. Let's start with the first exercise. Squats, a simple yet powerful move to tone your legs, thighs, and glutes. Squats not only help you build strength, but also improve your balance and posture. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart or slightly wider. Lower your body by pushing your hips back, as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and lower yourself as much as possible. Push through your heels to return to the starting position while engaging your glutes. Try to perform squats for 60 seconds, keeping a steady pace. If you're new to squats, take it slow and focus on maintaining good form. Exercise 2. Push-ups for toned arms and chest. Next up, we have push-ups. One of the best exercises to strengthen your arms, chest, and core all at once. Here's how to do them correctly. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body slowly by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your sides. Push back up to the starting position, engaging your core throughout the movement. If you're a beginner, modify by doing push-ups on your knees or against a sturdy surface like a wall or chair. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers for a strong core and cardio boost now. Let's fire up that core and get your heart pumping with mountain climbers. This dynamic exercise not only strengthens your abs, but also improves endurance and helps burn calories fast. Here's how to do it. Start in a plank position, keeping your arms straight and hands shoulder-width apart. Engage your core and bring your right knee towards your chest. Quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee forward while extending the right leg back. Keep your back straight and hips stable as you alternate legs at a steady pace. We'll do this exercise for 30 seconds. Go at your own pace and focus on controlled movements. Exercise 4. Lunges for sculpted legs and better balanced lunges. Target your thighs, glutes, and even your core, helping you achieve a more defined lower body. Here's how to do them properly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and hands on your hips. Take a big step forward with your left leg, lowering your hips until your left knee forms a 90-degree angle. Push back to the starting position and switch to the right leg. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks for full body. Cardio jumping jacks improve endurance, coordination, and burn calories fast. Here's how to do them correctly. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Quickly return to the starting position with another jump. Bringing it all together, your daily fat-burning routine. In just a few minutes a day, this workout can help you burn fat, boost your metabolism, and feel stronger and more confident. Stay consistent and see results. Remember, results don't happen overnight, but with dedication and patience, you'll start to notice amazing changes in your body and mindset.